I have to share with you something I did not expect to really like. It is the Bright Lux. I mean, I expected to like it, right? But this is insane. This is the, get in focus, Bright Lux. It's a daylight color temperature, so 6,000 kelvins. It's a 360-degree neon flex rope light, indoor-outdoor use. It is linkable up to 132 feet. You can get 8 sets, mounting hardware included. 2,500 lumens. That's bright, y'all. 16.5 feet. Let me see what else you can. Yeah, you can link a bunch. Easy to install, flexible, indoor outdoor. Let's see what the quick specs say. There you have them. 120 volt. IP65 rated. Let's see. Oh, 0.27. Oh, it's the 3528 SMD LEDs. And then what else we have? Indoor outdoor patio decks, living space. Flexible round PVC tubing. I thought it was silicone. It's soft PVC. I didn't know that was a thing. So it comes with a 16.5-foot neon flex light. It has 5-foot power cable and then 10 clips and 10 screws. Let me show you those real quick. It does have instructions. Here's the clips. They clip on nice. They're great. And then little screws, little stainless hardware. So let me show you a clip. Just easy peasy, right? So it'll hold it nice. You can see that is the back, right? You can just see a little dark. You can see where the LED strips are, but that's no big deal. This end comes off if you want to link, or to the other end, it just screws on, but it makes an IP65 rating. There's a 5-foot power cord, and I have it plugged in. But look at how cool this is. Like, that's insane. I knew I'd like it. You know, I like lights, but this is so cool. Look at it in the reflection of the window. Don't mind the Merry Christmas and the snowflake lights. Golly, somebody's got to take that down. But look at how awesome. This is awesome. All right. Hey, this is a hit. This is an absolute hit. They show it wrapped around. You can see it wrapped around like a deck rail. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it. The clips are really clever. They're just not, I mean, it's not that they're so clever. I mean, they're just clips, right? But they just hold on nicely, and they're just a simple plastic clip, and you screw them on. You know, I'd be tempted to put them under the eaves and then snap it backwards so that it faces the light. It'd be such a nice wash on our white house. Yeah, I got to figure out what I'm going to do with 16.5 feet. But I know what I could do with a lot more. Hey, if you have a lighted boat parade, give this a shot. I would think you could we have a lighted boat parade in our neighborhood every Christmas, and they run, you know, and they leave their lights on all month long. But lights are on, and people do. There's some stuff that's just crazy, some stuff's the traditional. But this would be a really neat water line. You know, just a foot above the water or 6 inches above the water. I mean, they're pontoon boats, right? We're not open water here. And this would be really cool. A nice bright white. You can, you could tuck it under so it's shining down on a pontoon so you don't see if it's wiggly or not. That would be cool, right? So it would shine down, the aluminum pontoon would light up, and it'd be kind of like your boat is hovering. Anyways, if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments below. I would love to see what you would do with 6,000 Kelvin, so bright white, flexible PVC neon tube, right? Very cool. Hey, have a great night. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.